Well, there's still quite a bit of construction happening here. Wonder how long they're going to be doing this. It's been, what, a year? Some, at least. Wonder what those foam things are used for. That's curious. I've never seen anything like that. That's very interesting. That helicopter keeps flying over. That's the third time I've seen it. Everything is still open, but have fun getting there if you're not on foot. They've covered everything back up. It looks like they are actually getting finished with it soon. This used to be all dug really deep. Really? Okay then. Who thought of these? Ow. Ow. Tried to look down there and I hit my face and in my teeth on the metal. Good job. Good job. I think IMAX is closed. Where is the place I am going? Should be up here somewhere close. Looks to me like they're nearly done. Looking for the zesty market. It should be here somewhere. Follow the path. Until October 3rd or the end of the detour. So it's going to be a while. A little while. A few more months. I see it. Oh my, there's a long lineup. Anyways, that's the construction zone.
Always a lineup.
Okay, that's a food place. That's not where I'm going. And it's the Zesty Market. That store didn't have what I wanted. So we're going to go farther up the street and see if we can find it. Oh, this way is closed. I must go the other way.
assume anything yet.
Yeah, it's so good.
It's quite the construction project. These signs are pretty corny though. Ooh, look at that. Old iron pipes.
Okay, I get it. Yeah, get it from us.
Of course, the quickie is the sign is closed, but it is open. Oh, that place didn't have them either. I'm not sure where else to look. I don't think there's any more convenience store up here. I don't know. It's quite the construction project for sure, like I think I said several times already. Runs right into it. Oh, there's a Circle K. Maybe they have it. Is this what it's going to look like? It's done. Alright, let's see. Hold me closer, Tiny Dozer. Really? Who does this? Sus, they did have it. I just want to go up. Since I'm almost to the end of the construction zone, might as well show where it goes. They're really going to make the road that thin? Interesting. I don't think there's too much left in the construction zone. So we're at the Museum of Natural History. Oh yeah, you can see they're finishing up here. Got all the sidewalks coming in. Looks nice. Got some pavement up on this side. Quite the sidewalks. I think it goes all the way to the highway. We shall see. Here we are at the main police station, and this is the end of the construction zone. Yeah, that's what it's going to look like. Not too much longer. That is walking through the construction zone on Elgin Street. It was a little bit of a random video, but why not? What do you think? Has this construction messed with your life in horrible, horrible ways? Leave a comment, tell me about it. Anyways, I'll see y'all later. Subscribe, like, have a nice day, etc.